Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I bake burger bread. So guys can see the item. This is the flour. I've already put all the item inside, like butter. I put half of the sachet butter. It depends the quantity you make. If you make big quantity, you can put full of this. So I put half of it inside. Then I've already put yeast also. I put 4 tablespoons of yeast. Then I put half teaspoon of salt. So after you wash your hand very well, then you mix it. If you like, you can put enough milk or anything, nutmeg. You can put all those things. But I just put sugar, butter, and eggs and salt only. Just simple burger bread. So I now add water. Add water and mix it very well. Mix it. Don't mix it strong. They very light so that the bread is soft. Burger bread is soft. So guys can see. So if you have mixing machine, you can put it and mix it. But if you don't have mixing machine, you can use your power, use your energy and mix it. So this is what I'm doing. I'm using my hand to mix it. So you mix it very soft, then you roll it. So you knack am for ground so that the thing will soft. Because if na machine will mix it very soft. So you can see, very soft. So this is how you mold it. You now cut it like this size. Cut it, you roll it. My bread roll, you roll it. You can see. Start roll it all like this. Cut again. And you roll it. See, you roll it like this. And you put it in the pan. So guys can see how I roll it. So I'll leave it like 15 minutes to rise before putting it in the oven. And before you put it in the oven, make sure on your oven down so that the oven will hot before putting it. So I'll leave it for 15 minutes to rise before putting it in the oven. Keep washing. So guys can see it's rice. It's time now to put it in the oven. And again, you have to rub egg before putting it in the oven so that it will come out very fine. So this is the egg that I will rub. So, and I'm putting nylon on my hand because my brush break. So if you are using brush and it break, don't discourage. Find another way to do your work. Put leather, very clean leather in your hand and do your work. Don't discourage that your brush break and you cannot do anything. No, don't discourage like that. So the brush I'm using is break, and I find another alternative to do my bread. So I'll break the egg on the plate. Break the egg. Now take it and rub for the bread. So you rub them off before putting it in the oven. rub am all the body so that when the bread come out you like it. E dey very brown. E dey rub am egg. The reason why we are rubbing, I'm rubbing the egg because if you rub the egg and you bake come out, the bread will look very fine and e dey brown. But if you didn't rub egg and you bake it, the bread will come out white. You yourself, you won't like it, seeing it like that. So that is the reason why you have to egg wash it before putting it in oven. So rub am all. So you can see already on the oven to be hot. Now it's time now to put it in oven. So guys can see the oven. It's already on. This is the on. Now open it. Now I'll put the bread inside. And I'll leave it like 20 minutes before bringing it out. Keep washing. I'll close it. So guys, let's check the bread. You open the oven. Before you open the oven, make sure you off the oven. Wow. So guys can see, come out very yummy. Can see it. You allow it to cool. This is how you will be. Can see. Very fresh. So if you want to use it, you allow it to cool before you using it. So even package in their fridge. Anytime you want to use it, you can use it for breakfast. Make your tea or coffee. Fry your egg and use it. It's not for only burger. You can use it for your breakfast. You can take it like this with tea or coffee. You can use butter, you can use egg and use it. That is all for bread burger. Thanks for watching. If today is your first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel and drop your comment. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.